morning, Guns Unlimited, Memorial Day, Monday. Thought it was important to come up and shoot again, like every day I can. Brought the American flag. Today's the day to remember the vets and the people that went before us and gave the ultimate. I'm going to do some speed drills here in their honor. That's 2 to the body, 1 to the head. 1.45. We'll do it again. Again, great run, absolutely smoking hot. 1.28 today. I just think that it's important that we all remember that a lot of people didn't come home, especially the greatest generation, and that was the World War II group. What a war. If we wouldn't have won that war, we could have been speaking somebody else's language. But anyhow, signing off, and don't forget, take 5 minutes and just reflect upon this great country. This Guns Unlimited. Thank you very much.